Welcome. Today we'll explore how to find the inverse sine of 0 and understand what this means geometrically. The inverse sine function, also written as arcsine or sin superscript 1, finds the angle whose sine equals a given value. To understand this visually, let's look at the unit circle. Here we have our coordinate axes and our unit circle with radius 1. Remember, for any point on the unit circle, its coordinates x, y represent cosine theta, sine theta for some angle theta. When we ask for the inverse sine of 0, we're looking for angles where sine equals 0. On the unit circle, the sine of an angle is the y-coordinate. So we're looking for points where the unit circle intersects the x-axis. These occur at 0 degrees and 180 degrees, or 0 and pi radians. However, the inverse sine function can only return one value. To make this function well-defined, we restrict its output to what we call the principal range, angles between negative 90 and positive 90 degrees, or between negative pi/2 and positive pi/2 radians. In this range, there is only one angle where sine equals 0, 0 degrees. Let's verify this is correct. If we take sine of 0 degrees, we get 0. We can also see this in a right triangle. When the angle is 0 degrees, the opposite side has length 0, and the hypotenuse has length 1. So sine of 0 degrees equals 0 divided by 1, which is 0. So we found that the inverse sine of 0 equals 0 degrees. Remember, while sine equals 0 at multiple angles, the inverse sine function only returns the angle in the principal range between negative 90 and positive 90 degrees.